Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is November 11th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, I'm going to show you a trade that we just closed out for a 27.7% gain in one day. And the trade was on Agnico Eagle Mines. And what you're going to see here is a gold mining stock. Stock sold off very sharply yesterday with volume. That told us the stock was going to go lower today. And we went right into this double bottom pivot here. We closed out a put option position for 27%. And here's a bigger pattern if you want to see what I'm looking at. And this is something that we teach in the In the Money Stocks methodology webinar. I go over this for a very, very long period of time and talk about this pattern that makes money on a very consistent basis. But if you take a look at a weekly chart, what you're going to notice here, I'm just going to wind this out a little bit. You're going to notice that we had this big thrust and then price rallied back up. And once the momentum shifts and starts to move lower, it's usually going to take you to another important support level, that being the weekly 50 period moving average, this red line right here. And you can see that big thrust this week, and you can see even on the daily chart yesterday we had that big sell-off, and today that follow through. So yesterday we got into Agnico Eagle puts, and today we closed that position out for 27.7% gain in one trading day, less than 24 hours, and that position is now closed. So again, this is something that we're going to try to identify and look at going forward in a lot of different equities. We see a lot of these types of setups. I'm going to try to find out some new option plays for today and post them up if I can get the right setup, the right pattern. But this play we took yesterday right before the closing bell, and you can see today already bearing us pretty good fruit in the market. So again, if you want to come over, take a subscription out to the options alert service. You don't need high capital, just buy a few contracts and watch the profits roll in. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.